We're gonna take the baby one way or another.
Y'all gonna have to shoot me dead to take my baby from my arm.
Los Angeles deputies observed a vehicle driving without headlights and conducted a traffic stop. The deputies noted 3 infants being held in the arms of their mothers without the use of mandatory car seats. They were arrested, along with the driver, and charged with child endangerment. During de-escalation attempts with one of the mothers, a deputy can be seen applying several open-handed blows. Please share your thoughts below. And as always, thanks for watching.
And I have done a damn good job, because look how big she is. Look how healthy she is.
I'm not saying you're doing a bad job taking care of her.
But that's what you are. You don't have to do all this. You don't have to take all our kids.
I'm saying what led up to it is the problem.
What led up to it? Because why did she tell us that we could take our baby, we can have somebody, please don't touch my baby.
Don't make this any harder than what it already is.
Why is it that she told us that we could find somebody to come pick us up and come get the kids and put them in car seats? He has a car seat. He can go home. All I need to do is go get mine. I swear to God.
Past that point, we didn't realize that you guys had that many kids. You guys each have a kid in the back seat.
You've seen him when you flashed the light.
Okay.
You've seen her baby, you've seen mine, and you've seen her.
Okay, so do you want me to grab the baby, or are you going to hand the baby over nicely?
Okay.
All right.
I can have somebody come get her.
No, we're not going to do that.
I don't want to have to snatch her and have my partners grab your arms. That's the last thing I want to do.
We're trying not to do this.
If you don't want to do that, then why won't you just let us get us?
Because we're going to take the baby one way or another, okay? And I don't want to be rude about it. So
if you guys have kids, then why don't you guys understand?
That's why we're doing what we're doing.
I literally never been in trouble. I've never had a warrant. I don't have anything. Why can't I just take my baby?
All right, you ready?
No. Please, let me hold on to her.
Okay, listen.
Please.
She's gonna grab the baby, and if you do not let her take the baby, they will hold you and handcuff you.
Can we speak, please?
I am speaking.
Okay. You guys are surrounding me, please.
Okay,
I want to talk like reasonable. I don't want. This is not reasonable. You guys are all surrounding me. I don't like that.
So I will tell you this. I'll give you the option. You can either hand her the baby, or you can walk over to that car right there and place the baby in the car seat for us.
If you have a car seat, then why can't you just drive us home?
We're not, at this point, you've already committed a crime, okay?
How was I going to get home? I was going to have to walk with her regardless. It's not my fault I got stranded.
Someone else should have been called.
Can you listen?
I am listening.
I don't have anybody.
Okay.
I'm literally like on my own.
Okay.
I was dropped off.
I sympathize with that.
So why are you taking my baby?
Because what led us up to this point?
What led up to the point?
You guys were in a car, driving without your lights on. No one's a licensed driver.
His lights are off. There's something wrong with it.
And no one has car seats in the car for the children.
She has a car seat.
That is a big safety concern.
She has a car seat.
Not in this car.
It is in the car, because if you pop the trunk, it's in the trunk.
They were not in the car seat.
It's in the trunk.
Okay, the child needs to be in a car seat. That is an issue.
So if they wouldn't have picked me up and I would have been kidnapped or sex trafficked, then what happened? Then what would have happened?
That didn't happen.
No,
that didn't happen.
I'm just saying that happened. People get kidnapped.
I understand that.
I was just trying to get home.
And kids die in car accidents because they're not properly secured.
And we weren't driving fast.
Okay.
Somebody else could have been driving
without headlights to make it even worse.
Okay.
But we can see them.
They can't see you.
Okay.
Okay, but at this point we're parked. We're pulled over.
Why are we arguing?
We're not arguing. I'm just trying to.
Just going in circles.
I'm trying to talk to you guys, and you guys aren't listening.
We are listening, but at this point we've gone in circles. We've gone around and around and around.
So how can you guys say that? Oh, you have kids, but you don't understand. What would you have done if you were stranded?
I would have called the sheriff's station and said, "Hey, look, I'm stranded. I need someone a ride."
I was not aware that sheriff stations give rides.
It's not that we give rides, but if someone is stranded with a baby, last thing we want is them to get in a car without a car seat and have that baby secure and safe.
Not that far from our house.
Okay, we're not at that point. Okay, we've already talked about that.
So why did but my thing is,
listen to me.
Can you listen to me?
I have been listening, but you are not listening to us. Okay, we have explained everything to you. You're not listening to what we're saying. We're trying to do what's best for your children right now. And forcefully taking the child from you is not what's best.
Taking my child from me is not what's best.
Okay, but if you will not let us do our job and safeguard
If you
these
guys
children,
could do your job, you would understand that we have 3 small children.
at
And
this point,
if you can just let us get our kids home,
we're done.
it wouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
You're not
We're
even
done talking
listening
about
to
this.
me.
I am listening.
You're
and
not.
I have been. Okay, we're done talking about
It would be
this. So what
different
we're
if it
going to
was
do
just...
now?
Can you listen to me, please?
I have been listening this whole time.
No, you're not. Because if
I
you were
haven't.
listening and you had children, you would understand.
I do understand.
And I feel like what was best at that point was to just try and get my kid home. That's it.
Okay.
My baby has never been in danger. There's never been any type of
Your baby
anything.
was in danger tonight by being in this car without being in a car seat, driving around the town. That was what
We weren't
the
driving
baby was in
around the
danger
town.
for.
I was just trying to get home.
Baby was endangered traveling in a motor vehicle without being in a child seat.
Okay, and they all knew that. They both
Everyone
shined the
knew
light. She seen her baby,
Okay.
they seen mine, and they seen the other baby. Y'all knew we had 3 babies in the car.
We're done with this conversation. It hasn't been going anywhere. You aren't
Because
listening to
you
what I'm
guys
telling
aren't
you.
trying to
All right,
understand.
We
are
are.
you gonna give up the baby nicely, or am I gonna have to grab and you're gonna grab your hands? I don't want to do that, but
Okay.
those are your 2 options.
Can you please just listen to me?
We have. Okay.
Please?
Okay. She's gonna grab the baby.
Can you guys wait, no, listen, please, please, please.
You're making the baby cry.
You're making the baby.
Stop.
Please, let me hold on to it for 2 more minutes, please. Please, 2 more minutes.
No.
2 more minutes.
Stop. Don't fight me.
Okay.
Sorry, can you come on?
No, please. Please.
Go in. Take her out. Get her into the car.
No!
Explorer behind us.
Get off the car!
Stay in the car.
Get my son, bro!
Stay in the car. Get back in the car.
Come get my
Get back in
son,
the car.
bro! You got custody, bro! Don't touch
What
my
you're
son!
doing right now is not showing that you care about your
No, I care about my baby, but I'm not about to let y'all. Listen, okay? So record me, bro. I care about my baby, and y'all don't. My baby is black and Mexican, bro. I don't have custody of my baby. I have custody of my baby. So what's going on? No, because y'all doing me
Other two are
wrong.
in.
I'm sitting
Other
here
two are in.
praying. I swear to God on everything I love, bro. Y'all not taking my baby from the arm. Y'all gonna have to shoot me dead to take baby from my arm. Y'all gonna have to shoot me dead to put. I'm not about to let you take my baby on my life. I'm not about to. No, bro, move. Come get my baby, bro. They not about to take my baby, bro. My baby 3 months. My baby 3 weeks. You gonna hurt him, bro.
You're gonna hurt the baby.
You hurting my baby, bro. I'm my life. You're taking my baby, bro. Move. You hurting my baby, but I let him go. You breaking his leg, bro. Hey, get this on recording.